Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a clean way to install macOS using a bootable USB drive. This is perfect if your Mac is broken, stuck, or you want a fresh reinstall. You'll need a USB drive, at least 16 gigabytes, an internet connection, a working Mac or external macOS system. So if your Mac cannot boot, you'll need another Mac device to build the bootable drive. Also, check out my other video, link below, on how to reinstall Mac OS using full internet recovery in case you don't have another Mac device. First, we open Terminal. Then we list available Mac OS installers like the following. This will show all available Mac OS versions Apple allows your Mac to download. You'll see something like 12.6.x. Now we download the version we want. In this case, for my MacBook Pro 2015, the latest Monterey. You can also handpick your macOS version if you want to downgrade. Then run this command to download the installer. Replace x.y.z according to your choice. In my example, I'm downloading version 12.7.6, which is the latest Monterey. This will download the full installer directly into your applications folder. You should now see install macOS Monterey.app on Launchpad or the applications folder. Step 3. Plug in your USB device. Open this utility, show all devices first, erase the USB with Format macOS Extended Journal, Scheme GUID Partition Map. This ensures maximum compatibility for booting. Step 4. Now we create the bootable USB using Apple's built-in tool. Follow this command and replace the Monterey according to the application name that you just downloaded. Enter your password. Wait 10 to 30 minutes while it builds the installer. When it says Install Media is now available, you are done. Step 5. Restart your Mac. Make sure the USB drive is still plugged in. Right after you hear the Mac startup sound, hold the Option key. If you still have a working Mac OS internally, you will see two boot devices. Otherwise, you will only see your USB drive. Select Install Mac OS Monterey. This boots you directly into the installer environment. Once you arrive in the installer environment, open this utility first. Similarly, you must choose Show All Devices. Select the root of the internal drive, erase with Format APFS, Scheme GUID Partition Map. Then, after done, exit the disk utility. Click Install macOS Monterey and choose the internal drive. Let it complete. The Mac will reboot several times. Once the installation is done, you will arrive at the post-installation procedures such as agreements and setups. You can restore your data using Migration Assistant or Time Machine from external drive if you want to. Otherwise, just start fresh. And that is how you install macOS Monterey or any other versions using Terminal and a bootable USB. Like and subscribe if you want Mac recovery and deep troubleshooting guides.